This video focuses Introduction to Python Decorators by asking ChatGPT Introduction to Python Decorators. With examples and code explanations, we can get the basic knowledge of Python decorators. Python decorators are a powerful and expressive feature that allows you to modify the behavior of functions or methods. They enable you to wrap another function, modifying its input, output, or behavior without changing its code. This makes decorators a useful tool for code reuse and separation of concerns. A decorator is essentially a function that takes another function as an argument and extends or alters its behavior. You can use decorators to perform actions such as logging, access control, catching, and more. Here's a basic structure of a decorator. In this example, my underscore decorator is the decorator function. Func is the function being decorated. Wrapper is a nested function that adds behavior before and after the call to func. Now we can apply a decorator to a function using the @decorator_name syntax. In this example, when you call say _hello, it will include the behavior of the decorator. We end up with the following output. Something is happening before the function is called, hello. Something is happening after the function is called. Next, example 1, a simple logging decorator. Let's create a decorator that logs the execution time of a function. In this example, timing_decorator measures how long it takes to execute compute_square. The wrapper function captures the start time, calls the original function, and then calculates the execution time before returning the result. When you call compute_square, it will include the behavior of the decorator named timing_decorator. Next, example 2, parameterized decorators. You can also create decorators that accept arguments. Here's an example of a decorator that repeats a function a specified number of times. In this example, the repeat function takes an argument, num_times, and returns a decorator. The wrapper function calls the original function the specified number of times. When you call greet, it will include the behavior of the decorator named at repeat, num_times equals 3. Finally, let's take another look at key points of decorators. Python decorators provide a clean and readable way to modify or extend the behavior of functions. They promote code reuse and can simplify your codebase, whether for logging, enforcing access controls, or implementing catching. Decorators are a versatile tool in Python programming.